We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. And here's what one customer wrote about their experience with our staff. We believe that reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We'd love to make you a happy customer. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking to you.